Hi students, this is Anisha, your science teacher, back with a new video. So today I am going to show you an experiment on when object is kept at different places where the image is formed in concave mirror. So before going to our experiment, I want to tell you that don't forget to subscribe my channel, click bell icon and like the experiment if you like it. Here in this video we are going to see about image formed by a concave mirror when object is placed at different positions. So for this experiment, the aim of our experiment is to show images at different positions, and the materials required are V stand. This is called V stand. It is in the shape of V. It is called as a concave mirror, and this is about scale to draw principal axis, and this is used as a candle and candle stand. So first you draw, the focus of this mirror. So pole is the place of the mirror is said to be pole, and from the pole you draw F and C at 10 distance each. From the pole focus is at 10 and C. The focus. First you keep the scale and draw 10 centimeters. Keep the scale and draw 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters on principal axis. And to this side you draw the pole, and to 10 centimeters that side you draw another, mark another point, that is C. So let's start our experiment. The first case I consider is when object is between F and P. When object is at between F and P, let us see where the image is formed. This is used as a screen. I have pasted on the cardboard A4 size paper. This is used as a screen. So on the screen only the image is formed, that. So let's start with the first case. First case, when the object is kept between P and F. Let's lit the candle. Before we go to the first case, let us lit the candle first. After lighting the candle, I am using candle as an object so that you can see clearly this on the screen the candle. So I want to show you when object is kept between pole and the focus. So to raise the height of a candle, I am using stand. So with the stand I raise the height of the candle. You can't see now, right? Then I have raised it to a height with the help of a wooden box. So after raising it to a height, I can clearly see that the image is formed on the concave mirror. It does not meet really behind the mirror the image is formed. We know that when the object is kept between focus and F. Next case, when I move the object to the focus where the image is formed, let us see. The image is not captured on the screen and on the mirror. It means that the image formed is at infinity. Image can't be seen on the screen. The image is formed at infinity. When object is kept far away, at infinity, then the image is formed at focus. So to show you that image forms at a focus, I am adjusting the screen in such a way that how the image is, yes, it is done. See how the image is formed. Image formed at the focus, real and inverted, much smaller than the object, or highly diminished. Diminished is much smaller. You can observe much smaller is formed I kept at some distance, so it is showing it. Next case, we go with when an object is kept at center of curvature. When object is kept at center of curvature, the image is also formed at center of curvature, real image, inverted, and at center of curvature it is formed. you can see inverted image, you can see very clearly. Inverted, same size at center of curvature. Object is at center of curvature and the image is also at center of curvature. Same size image is formed. The rays really meet at this point. So real image is formed when we keep object at center of curvature. Next case, we go when object is kept beyond center of curvature. You all know that when the object is kept beyond the center of curvature, the image is formed between F and C. So I'll adjust in such a way when it is beyond center of curvature, the image is formed between F and C. You can see the clear image there, F and C. It is real image, inverted image. And real image and smaller than the appeared. It is diminished image. Highly diminished image is formed in this case. You can see it very clearly. Highly diminished image, upside down, inverted, highly diminished between F and C. We should adjust the screen in such a way that we get a sharp image on that.